One, this is one of more video which I made. This is also a DIY hack which I felt like it's worth sharing with everyone because, well, I saved a lot with this. So actually I was throwing a party for like 3 to 5 years old kids, and I was looking for some craft activity. And first of all, to make a craft activity for such a year old kids, it's kind of difficult. So going all around and, you know, to Hobby Lobby, all the craft stores, it gets really difficult to assemble something which is fun, which is cool, which is age appropriate, and which is cheaper, and which is not time consuming. So plus in this age old, I mean, who has the time to go shopping? So I found these online on Amazon. I will put the link below, and it's so cheap. Like, it's like 25 of these, and it's worth only $10. It's like 25 of these. So it's like a single set made for the kids. This is like the alligator. They can just make it. It's like a craft activity. And this is like a frog. And what is this? It's a fish. So it's all assembled. Like, you will see the eyes as well, and these are sticker eyes. So you can just stick it to them. You don't need extra stuff, stationary stuff. And, you know, turtle, a cute little turtle, and the bear, and the squirrel, almost so many animals, camel, and then there is this, it's a tiger and a horse. I mean, look at that, dolphin, so cute, so colorful, all ready made. And you have to just give one kid an individual pack, no mess, no glue filling or any mess with the scissors or craft. It's all foam, and it's like a puzzle, and it's super cute and easy to assemble. So this pack, the 25 of these, I got for only $10 to $12 from Amazon, overnight shipping. And I mean, come on, it's a good, I find this as a good deal, and I'm really happy I found this for my party. And so I have opened 2 sets, and I'm gonna show how cute this is when we just assemble it. So I've already put the eyes. I'm going to take the help of the picture. So unfortunately I don't have the picture for this, but yeah, so this is like this. You see these holes? You just put this thing inside. You don't need glues or anything. It's more like stem kind of a thing. And so the other, this is for the other side, like this. These are the 2 legs. This is the smaller thing, so it goes here. So the parents could help out the kids. It's mess free, it's simple, it's easy, it's cheaper, and a good party craft. So it goes all the way. I mean, I saw these deals and I was like, oh my god, this is so cool. Because I have got 3 kids and I really need these shortcuts. And I mean, look at that, it's a cute little rabbit. You can give this as a gift away in the goodie bags. It's so cheap, like it's 25, it's like 50 cents per this thing. It's foam, it's mess free, and it's cool, isn't it? I will put down the link to buy this thing. It's not that I'm marketing this thing, they are not paying me anything, but I found this and I really wanted to share it with everyone. Let me make this craft. And they're so super cute. It's going to be a ducky, so it goes like this. Cute little ducky here. So this to stand still. And this is the base. So this is the 3D foam puzzle, and I believe what can be as cute and as simple as cheap as like this. I mean, look at that. The kids super enjoyed this thing. This craft activity was the most success craft activity in my fun party. So that is all. This is the 3D puzzle. So I hope you enjoyed this DIY hack. So see you next time. Bye bye. Subscribe to Learn ABC Islam. You will be doing me a huge favor. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. Bye bye.